Welcome. In this video, we'll see how to import data from a CSV file into SPSS software. So first of all, you need to be in the data view interface of your software, and from files, select read text data, and this will enable you to browse to the specific folder where you have your data. I have my data in downloads, and from downloads I have the CSV file in a specified folder naming SPSS importing data, and from here I will select my CSV file from which I want to import data into the SPSS and click open. It may take a few seconds. After that, it will allow me to give some settings to import it. Does your text file match a predefined formatting? No. If does, you can select yes and browse that specific folder for reference. I will leave it now and click next. Are variable names included at the top of your file? Yes, in the file my variables have names at the top. I will select it yes, and there is also delimited and fixed width. My file is separated by delimited at special characters like the commas. It will be the first one. If you have a fixed width, you can select fixed width. I will select next again. Here nothing to change. Next again, and here you can see an data preview to see if everything is okay or not. I see that my name column has gotten separated and it got mixed with the height and width. It probably because the space is automatically selected. If I undo it, I can see that my name is now good. The height and weight is also corrected. Since my file only is built up with a comma to separate the data, I will select next again. And variable names, yes, there are variable names. Data format string, characters 24. I will select again next. I see everything is okay, nothing to change here, and click finish. This will load your data into the SPSS interface. Here I can see all the variables are imported nicely here. I will just fix the column widths manually. I can see all the things are imported very nicely, and the names are also correctly imported. If I go to the variable view, I can see the variables. I have 11 variables or columns. The types, the first one is string since it is name, and the others are numeric. The white decimal values, you can change the decimal values, how many decimal places you want for your values. This one is nominal, the others are scale for making measurements, and all others are good. No values are missing here also. So this is how we can import data, CSV file data into your SPSS software for further analysis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another informative video. Thank you.